So hello friends, welcome to our channel UPSC with Parmar sir. Myself Raja Parmar, and we are going with 10 minute series of MP current affair. Today we are going to cover June month's current affair. So let's start. First important news from the June month is about Madhya Pradesh top in the list of Tiger 526 in the country, and also reported the highest number of casualty 173. In this 173, 30 has succumbed to poaching, 94 died due to natural cause, 19 are still under scrutiny, 6 died due to various unnatural cause, and 16 due to seizure. So these are 173 numbers. And Maharashtra has reported the second highest death of tiger in the country, followed by Karnataka and Uttarakhand. So this was the news. Another important one is about Western Coalfield Limited opened 3 new coal mines for 849 crore, 100 million ton coal production target by financial 26-27. Western Coalfield Limited WCL, the subsidiary of Coal India Limited, has started 3 new coal mines in the state of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, with total capital expenditure of around 849 crores. These will generate direct employment for 647 people. The 3 mines, namely Adash mine, an underground to open cast mine in Nagpur area of Maharashtra. So this is our first mine, Adash mine. Second one is Sarda underground mine in Kanhad area, and Danka Sonder ground mine in Pech area of Madhya Pradesh. So these are the 3 mines. Move to the next news, which is about center approved funds for implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. So these 3 states. Jal Jeevan Mission aims to provide functional household tap connection to 18 crore households in rural areas of the nation by 2024. So this was something important. Another important news is Madhya Pradesh become India's largest wheat producer for the year 2021, surpassing Punjab. So very important. We will begin say this news is very important because Madhya Pradesh now become the first wheat producing state. Madhya Pradesh was also the highest producer of wheat this year with production of about 30 million ton. So this was important. Let's move to the another important news, which is about Mukhyamantri Shahari Path Vyavsayi Utthan Yojana. So this is the title. Shahari Path Vyavsayi Utthan Yojana has been launched by the Prime Minister, which aims to provide 10,000 rupees capital to the small businesses and vendors. So this was important. Another important one is Madhya Pradesh government has started a plantation drive under the name Thank Mom on the premises of its Social Justice and Disabled Welfare Directorate on the World Environment Day. So thanks Mom, Madhya Pradesh government has started the plantation drive. So this is something important. Another important one is Madhya Pradesh Madhya Kshetra Vidyut Vitran Company Limited AMP-MKVVCL introduced the Nista Vidyut Mitra scheme for women empowerment. Under this scheme, women self-help group at Gram Panchayat level will work as Nista Vidyut Mitra. It has been implemented in Gram Panchayat for all 16 districts of Bhopal, Narvadapuram, Gwalior, Chambal division of the company's jurisdiction. So this was something important. Another important one is Anandiben Patel who is the governor of UP, has been given additional charge as the governor of Madhya Pradesh as Lalji Tandon. The governor of Madhya Pradesh has been under treatment, so this is, UP can cut it because this news we already covered in the July month's current affair, so this is not important. Anandiben was the first chief minister of Gujarat. Important fact, you can memorize it. Member of Legislative Council from 1996 to 2009. Served as a member of Uttar Pradesh Vidhan Parishad from 1990s to 1996. So it's all. See friends, this monthly current affair is only for last resort. Like if you are not covering current affair from anywhere, you can cover it from these videos. I cannot assure, but the question will be asked from these videos only, because my last time experience is saying this. Remember, we have made videos on the we have made last video